Hi everyone and welcome. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Today we're going to see a makeup look which I used during my maternity photo shoot. So this is a simple and subtle makeup look. So I started by exfoliating my face with this Good Vibes brightening face scrub. And then for moisturizer, I use this Nutriderm moisturizing lotion. So this is a really good lotion which suits any skin type, oily or dry. And then I'm using this Mama Earth lip balm to moisturize my lips. And for primer, I'm using this MAC Prep Plus Prime. So this is a sample version which I got free for purchasing MAC products, and it is really good. I'm applying it all over my face. And then for color correcting, I'm using the Sugar's orange color corrector. So I'm using it under my eyes and in my pigmented areas and wherever I have uneven skin tone, and I'm blending it with this wet makeup sponge. So Sugar's orange corrector is one of the best orange corrector. It is easily blendable and it gives a really good effect. Next, I'm using this MAC concealer. This is of shade NC45. So this is of a darker shade and I'm using it before the foundation under my eyes and the pigmented areas to give a better effect. And then I am blending it well with this makeup blender. Next for foundation, I'm using the MAC NC42. So this is my go-to foundation. I use this for any events, festivals, weddings, or any photo shoot. So it is like a really good foundation which will last the whole day long. And this really blends in beautifully. And this shade is also a really good shade for a medium to dusky skin tone. So I'm blending it really well with this makeup sponge. And then for concealer, I'm using this Sugar concealer. This is of shade 45 Campana. So I'm applying it under my eyes and my high points to give a highlighted look. And I'm using this PAC concealer brush to go ahead and blend in the concealer. So this concealer is as well really good. It blends in really well and it gives a really good effect. It covers all the blemishes really beautifully. And I'm again using this wet makeup sponge to blend it better. Now I'm using this Maybelline concealer of shade 30. I'm using this over my eyes, so I use it as a base for my eye makeup. And Maybelline as well is a really good concealer, everybody knows about it. And next, to set this concealer, I'm using the Sugar tinted powder and I'm dusting off this excess powder with a powder brush. And now for contouring, I'm using this Nykaa's palette. So I'm just applying a little bit of quantity and I'm blending it with the same concealer brush. And then again blending it better with the makeup sponge. Now I'm using this liquid blush from Makeup Revolution. So this is a light and subtle color which goes well with any costume. As you can see, it's blending in very beautifully. And then to set the whole makeup, I'm using this Kiro Compact. It gives you a mattifying finish. And for eye makeup, I'm using this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. So first I'm just creating a crease. And then I'm using this shade in the outer V with the eyes. And I'm blending both the shades together. Now I'll use this shimmery shade in my eyelids on both the sides. and then I'll blend all 3 shades together. I'm using a similar pink shade under my waterline. Now I'll curl my lashes, and for mascara I'll be using the K Beauty's mascara. This is a really good mascara which I've used so far. It gives a beautiful effect and gives a good volume. Now I'm using this NY base contour powder just to define my face better. This is also a really good contour, a powder contour which you can use. And then for blush, again I'm using this Maybelline's Fit Me blush. So this blush is nicely pigmented and gives you a really good finish. For highlighting, I'm using this MAC blush highlighter. So it acts as a blush and a highlighter. So I'm using a very little quantity just on my high points. Next for lips, I'm going to be using this lip liner from Nykaa's Lips Don't Lie. So this is a really good lip liner. It glides in really beautifully. And for lipstick, I'm using the Mama Earth Long Stay lipstick of shade Carnation Nude, my all-time favorite lipstick. And to fix this makeup, I'm using this MAC Fixing Spray. This is again of a sample version which I got as a free product. And I'm just using this makeup sponge to set the complete makeup. So this is the completed look with my earrings, chain, and rest of the accessories. So this, as I said, is a simple, subtle look, and it gave a really good finish for my maternity photo shoot. And the outcome was also really great. I really liked the final pics. So these are the final pics of the photo shoot. They are elegant and I really like them. So this is how I created the makeup look for my maternity photo shoot. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.